In my 53 years, I was taught lots of traditional beliefs, including protecting the mother's womb with special words, chants, massages, and oils. Unfortunately, most of these practices are no longer done. The simple practice of protecting a baby from bad spirits by just making a simple guard or totem for them, or by placing other protection near or under their crib, and just doing the simple things like covering the infant's face from the darkness and not taking the newborn out at night. The belief that the unborn and newborns are extremely vulnerable to bad spirit is so strong that the practice of not just letting anyone around a pregnant woman or around a newborn without having some kind of guard or a ruta plant nearby. Also, the belief of not taking newborn infant or toddler amongst the dead unless it is an immediate family member's funeral. Also, if you do take the child to the gravesite, you're supposed to practice crossing the child over the casket as a protection. So no evil, none of those evil spirits follow the child from the graveyard. But the number one thing is you're not supposed to really take them to the graveyard. The traditional common belief and practice is that death rituals and birth rituals were never observed or celebrated on the same day. For example, if you attended a funeral in the morning, you are not supposed to attend a baby shower or birthday celebration without spiritually cleansing yourself, because an entity could have attached itself to you while you were at the graveyard and can unknowingly bring harm to others who are sensitive or vulnerable around you. Unfortunately, due to the influences of circular religion, many Garifuna are no longer vigilant in protecting the most innocent and vulnerable around us or ourselves. Even the practice of symbolically placing food for our ancestors have become convoluted and taken hostage by secular religion. While traditionalists believe in setting food for their ancestors whenever it is requested, no questions asked, however, the modern secular practitioners have adopted the practice of when and when not to set food for the ancestors, including frowning on setting food during the season of Lent because of the notion that the ancestors are either away or asleep. Keep in mind that not every ancestor was religious. Prior to, getting indoctrinated into Christianity or whatnot, the various religions that Garifuna people have now adopted, Garifuna people did not believe in these modern day,